In this video, I will show you how to restore network settings on your Xbox Series X OS. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Xbox dashboard. Now, if you want to go ahead and restore your network settings, first thing you're going to want to do is actually come into your settings. So to do that, from your dashboard, you want to come up to the top and go all the way to the right. Then you want to press A on your controller on this gear icon, which is going to take you into your settings. So from here, what you're going to want to do is make sure you're on General on this menu on the left hand side. And then if you press right on your controller, and what you want to do is come to Network Settings and press A. Now, what I would recommend doing first is actually testing your network connection just to see if there's any problems. So if you've basically changed anything with your network and it's causing any errors, test this first to make sure to see if there's any problems or not. And what you can then do is go ahead and press this option to set up wireless network. And what you can do is basically go ahead and reset your network. So you would just select it from the list here and then just go ahead and try to reconnect. Now, if you are having problems, you can't connect, and you're still looking to restore your settings, what I would recommend doing next is coming back one page, so back into the general settings, and this time you want to go left and come down to system on this menu on the left hand side. From the system section, if you press right on your controller, what you're going to want to do is press onto console info. Now from here, you want to come down to where it says reset console and press onto this. And what you want to do at this point is very important. You want to reset but keep my games and apps. So you can see there's an option there to reset and remove everything. You don't want to do that because it's going to get rid of all your saved data and games and apps. But what you want to do is select this option here. And what that's going to do is perform a kind of factory reset on your console. And of course, by doing the factory reset, it's going to reset all your network settings as well. So what you can then do is restore them back to default by reconnecting to your internet. And that should fix any potential problems. So that is how to restore network settings on your Xbox Series X OS. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.